Alright guys, got Nathan here is going to crack open a couple boxes of Sport Kings E. Start out the morning. Appreciate the order, buddy. Good luck. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can hit a Muhammad Ali autograph. He's got autos in this one. Mulder, Don Budge, Gino Bartali, and Robbie Alomar, jersey. Single memorabilia silver. And our premium back is Eddie Murray. In box 2. We got Didi Jean-Rowe, Gale Sayers, Sir Stanley Matthews, and that's pretty cool. These are actually super hard to hit. Triple patch, Bill Walton. I want to say these are numbered to like 9. Silver variation, and Tejo. Premium back. Finish it up. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it. Get it packed up and out ASAP. If I can get you anything else, let me know.